Wake up.
Wake up. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Hey everyone,
How's it
welcome. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have my brother with me. I'm Reggie Moore.
I'm Reggie Moore.
So y'all seem to love the video
of my voiceovers.
Yeah, him voiceovering my morning routine. So if you haven't seen that, I'll link it in the description box.
It's just something about my voice that brings people at ease.
Yeah, so y'all better go watch that if you haven't seen it. And if you have, let us know in the comments. So we asked on Instagram videos y'all want to see us do. And a lot of y'all said for him to do my makeup.
And I'm no stranger at doing makeup. I'm kind of a makeup guru.
Yeah, he did my makeup once before on my channel. I looked like a zombie.
The Walking Dead.
Yeah, I think that's what he was going for, / clown. But today, we are recreating a makeup look he saw on Instagram.
NIKKIE tutorials. Girl, I'm coming for you.
Yeah,
she's dope.
It came up on his explore feed of which look?
The clouds.
The cloud eye cut crease kind of look. And he was like, oh, I'm gonna do that. So today we are recreating NIKKIE tutorials makeup tutorial look thing.
And so we're here today with Reggie Tutorials.
Reggie Tutorials. Follow him. Reggie.
Oh, let me get in character.
His name is Reggie.
When I do hair.
When he does hair and makeup. Oh.
You thought it was a game, girl?
Oh.
It's never a game.
Oh.
I'm about to do some makeups.
Oh, he had to get in character. Reggie. In the building.
Okay. People be hating on me. I don't know why. Never mind, I see why. So let me get the picture on my phone, and then I'm gonna start, and I'm gonna talk you guys through it. Okay. So since it's just a little bit of this, how would I? Anyways.
Mm-hmm. I already have perfect skin, so you don't need much.
Do I just do dabs?
Mm-hmm.
I like the dab smear.
Dab smear?
Dab smear. It's a new dance coming out in 2000. Oops.
Is it on my lips? I got crusty lips.
Oops. I've been dying to do her makeup for a while. I've been seeing the IG, and I'm like, girl, just let me get a hold of your face. It's something. I think I put too much here. That's what it is. That's what. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay.
Good.
It doesn't even look like I put any on, honestly.
You know, I got flawless skin.
Okay. So I know I do like a sad face. Sad face, right? And then I do like, a V. And
have fun.
It's in the wrist, Jazz. It's in the wrist. Everyone's gonna be using this technique in a couple months, so. Now it's time to get into these eye holes. I'm gonna use my E45.
Use code. Jasmine doesn't have a Morphe code.
You just cash at me $5. PayPal me $5 instead.
He's looking at the picture.
Mind your business.
He's like, let me see what it actually looks like.
Oh, I'm scared, girl. I'm scared for you. Okay. Don't look until I'm done, though.
Okay.
Nah. Should have watched the tutorial.
He just watched the Instagram one.
I always do that.
I
always get you right there every time.
My nose.
Every time to the other side, I always go in there. I don't know why. So how's your day? How's love? Any new love in your life? Honey, what's wrong? Speak to me. Stop laughing.
Life is great. Life is fun.
That's good.
Yeah.
How's single life treating you? We're getting through. Can I use the same brush? Or
if you're going lighter to darker, you can, but if you're gonna go back to that color, then you might as well get a different one.
Okay, let me see. They all look this one?
Mm-hmm.
scared.
Oh my god, it's so dark. And you got so wet.
I know. This is part of the clouds. So what happened in your old relationship? Why did things work out?
Lazy people.
Some
go good with non-lazy people.
Right. Sometimes you gotta grow. And the best way to grow is to leave.
You know.
Or send them back home. We come from a strong family bloodline of aggressively manly women. Oh, fuck. I need a... What do I need next? I need this and this. But I'm doing my clouds now.
He said he's coming for Nikki, so... he better.
Keep them eyes closed, girl. I'm nervous. Nikki made like happy clouds. I'm making like 45th and Crenshaw clouds. Okay, like these ones are from the hood. These clouds are from the hood because they have their own mind. And for anyone to know, that's kind of the intro to Sister Sister.
Oh really?
Got my own mind.
Oh yeah.
Nikki girl, you play no games. I ain't even gonna fuck around with you, girl. You play no games. I'm about to wing shit now.
Oh, that's a...
Jasmine, we're doing...
Yeah, but that's a huge brush. But whatever.
I'm gonna think a little. Damn, I'm a motherfucking mess. I'm a motherfucking mess.
You got it? You look good?
In my heart. You know what? These are bomb. I don't care what anyone says. I swear I can draw, guys, and kind of dance, but this makeup shit.
That one was a lie.
I feel like I need to go over the clouds. It's something about the clouds.
Oh, my nose was itching, and then this was my finger.
You're messing up my look.
My nose was itching.
Messing up my look.
And then this was all up on my fingers.
They don't look like clouds.
Oh man. You can use some glitter.
They look like...
You think some glitter will make it better?
They look like whipped cream. Where's the glitter
Whipped
at?
cream.
Oh, maybe some glitter. This is just a little dab of glitter to make the clouds more magical. Damn, boy. I saw you looking. You should go out like this. Like, you should let me do your makeup and full outfit. And let's just go shopping. Yeah. Like, let's go out and buy some things. And then return them.
And then return them. Damn, it looked like you got beat up at night. Oh, really?
My eyes suck. Okay, let me see what else she can do this because how y'all always doing this shit? Yeah. I did something wrong.
I feel like I can't open my eyes.
It's okay, I got 12 more layers to do. You'll make it.
Is it? Are you working?
It kind of looks like the skin's going bad there, but it's covered up. Come here. It's okay. Everyone knows. It's just a little gray. No! My God, it's getting worse. Come here. I'm gonna have to.
Add more?
I'm gonna have to go. Sometimes you gotta keep going. I don't know how many times you fail. And we wait for it to dry. You're actually looking, I don't know, you know when you look at something for a long time, you get used to it? That's what my...
Looking like Nikki's tutorials?
Yeah, a little bit too much. Watch out, Nikki tutorials. Now I need to put on some lashes. I'm gonna be using...
You don't know my last name?
I like the other ones.
He always says JB because he likes JB. These are the curly queens.
These are the curly queens I'll be using on Miss Jasmine Brown.
Okay. Do you want me to put the glue on it?
Yeah. No, I got it. I have to learn.
So you put a little bit of glue. I'm a little nervous on this part.
So as we let them dry, I'm gonna ask Jasmine 4 questions. These 4 questions she has to answer.
In how many seconds? Like in
The first thing comes to mind.
first thing? Okay.
Okay. Name of a boy you like. Just kidding. Supply to bliss. Okay.
Everybody will go on Instagram like
Favorite food to eat.
burritos.
Favorite color.
Purple.
My birthday.
July 24th, 1990, whatever. 1980.
We don't do years here.
We don't do years.
We don't do the years. And then these are the lashes. Okay. And next I'm going to do some highlight.
Use that side.
Okay. Are these the same sides?
No,
This is your favorite side?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm gonna do the highlight. I'm gonna ask you some questions. Oops.
Kind of low, but.
Is it? Let me see.
Okay, ask me some questions. Asking all them questions.
Okay.
Asking all them questions, making statements, assuming.
I'm terrible at eyebrows. Your eyebrows aren't popping. That's what it is.
Oh.
They ain't popping out. Name your favorite restaurant.
Taco Bell.
Name a boy you like. Name your mom's favorite color.
Purple.
Name Raheem's favorite color.
Red.
Name Dad's favorite color.
Blue.
Name Jaden's favorite color.
Green, because it's a dinosaur, I don't know.
Name Sherelle's favorite color.
Yellow? I don't think he likes yellow.
I think he likes black.
I think he likes
Or blue.
I think he likes blue. Wait, I think he likes blue, but yellow makes me think he likes yellow.
Yeah, I think he likes blue too for some reason.
Oh.
What's your ideal guy?
Light skin colored eyes.
Oh, same as me. How my
Whoops. I'll help you there.
Baby, Nikki ain't gonna claim this one. I guess this didn't help. I thought I was gonna bring out the soul of the makeup artist that I am.
Oh, you're gonna change it up?
Okay. I didn't mean to do that. You opened your mouth.
You like literally said, whoop, right in my mouth. It's all on my gums. Okay.
I felt it. I was like, and I put a lot.
Opening my mouth.
I put a lot on here. Little bug mouth. I'm laughing like mom. First you want to put on this, then you want to wipe it off, and then you want to put on this, and then you want to put on this.
Wow, are we done?
I think we're done.
Am I NIKKIE tutorials approved?
I want to say.
I need to see close up.
I want to say yeah. And wait, I want you to look at hers. And this is her.
Okay.
And this is you.
Oh. I love it.
Do you? You love it?
It's actually not as bad as I thought it was going to be.
It's like I could work on the clouds and I didn't have the blue.
No, like it's kind of like I see what you mean about the gray around my nose, but it's actually quite good for you doing it.
Thanks. You know, the trouble with being amazing at everything is that you're just amazing at everything.
Yeah.
I just can't take compliments. I don't know why. But I'm great. And yet again, another satisfied customer at Rajaz.
Rajaz. At Rajaz. Book Reggie at rajaz.com.
Okay, real quick. I'll let you do this eye, Nikki tutorial. Give me that cloud. One eye, just this one.
Just
Go.
one eye? All right. Ooh!
Oh, I want you to see how hard it is.
Yeah.
Now, before she puts this makeup on my face, I don't want no one to fall in love, but call me. That's it.
I'm done.
That's it. Oh. Why does this look like blue camouflage?
I did that in 5 minutes, literally. You can't judge. Go like this. Ooh. Literally, yours looks better than mine. I mean, this one looks better than the one I did. You have more clouds. I only did 3 clouds.
Yeah, let me see.
Okay. So
that's my finished look.
hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's see if y'all
Follow me at I am Reggie Moore. And if you have any other ideal looks that you would like to see me do on her eye holes,
and
I'll do it.
yeah, let's see. Comment below if y'all approve of Reggie's look. If y'all think if he did it.
If I should be a
Did
makeup
he fail
guru,
or did he succeed?
yeah, just type fail or succeed, but I will cuss you out.
And by the way, me and Reggie started up our Simply Siblings channel again. So go ahead and click the link in the description box below, right down there, and go subscribe and go watch our newest videos.
Simply Siblings.
Simply Siblings, that's us.
Thanks for watching. Follow me at I am Reggie Moore.
I
only have one eye.
But yeah, thank everybody so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us online on Instagram, and we will see y'all in our next video. Bye.
Bye.